Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll compare two of the most popular website builders, Webflow and Elementor. Both tools offer a wide range of features and integrations, making them ideal for creating a variety of websites from simple blogs to complex e-commerce stores. But which one is right for you? In this video, I'll take a close look at the key features, ease of use templates and integrations of Webflow and Elementor, so that you can make an informed decision about which one is best for your needs. So let's get started. Webflows is an all-in-one standalone solution that allows you to build responsive websites from scratch without writing a single line of code. It provides robust design and development features, including built-in SEO controls. Elementor, on the other hand, is a page builder designed for WordPress. It offers a drag and drop interface, allowing users to create custom layouts without requiring any coding knowledge. Elementor's interface is generally considered more intuitive and visual, making it easier for beginners to use. On the other hand, Webflow is also deemed user-friendly, offering a unique blend of design flexibility and ease of use. Once you become familiar with it, Webflow offers a range of professionally designed, customizable templates suitable for various industries and design styles. Elementor, meanwhile, provides an extensive library of pre-designed templates that can be easily customized to fit your needs. Also, Webflow integrates with popular third-party tools and services, extending the functionality of websites. On the other hand, Elementor, being a WordPress plugin, implores its users to add more plugins, which may decrease customizability over time. So, which one is best for you? If you're looking for a comprehensive tool with robust design capabilities and an all-in-one solution, Webflow might be the better choice. On the other hand, if you are already using WordPress and prefer a more intuitive interface, Elementor could be more suitable. Remember, choosing between Webflow and Elementor depends on your specific needs, technical skills, and the nature of your website project. It's recommended to explore both platforms before making a decision. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.